Protein can help you lose fat, but if you are using protein the old way, you may be slowing your progress without realizing it. Today I will show you 8 powerful changes to how protein should be eaten for better fat loss, better digestion, and better energy. I am a nutrition expert and I help people lose fat and feel better without counting calories. If you want protein to actually work for your body, not against it, this video is for you. Let's start. 1. Protein timing matters. Most people eat protein randomly. Low protein at breakfast, too much at dinner, snacking all day. A better approach is protein pacing. That means eating 3 solid meals, each with enough protein, and no constant snacking. This keeps you full, reduces cravings, and improves gut health. When you stop eating between meals for about 4 hours, your gut activates its natural cleaning process. This helps reduce bloating and discomfort. Breakfast is where most people fail. Cereal, toast, or bars are usually too low in protein. 2. Start your day with strong protein. Your first meal should include eggs, dairy, or meat. These foods are rich in leucine. Leucine helps protect muscle and supports metabolism. Preserving muscle is critical during fat loss. Less muscle means a slower metabolism. Simple examples: eggs with cottage cheese, Greek yogurt mixed with whey protein. 3. The 30-gram rule is not a limit. You may have heard that your body can only absorb 30 grams of protein per meal. That is outdated. New research shows the body can handle much more, even up to 100 grams in one meal. Protein needs are personal. They depend on your body weight and goals. 30 grams per meal is a great starting point, but more may be appropriate for you. 4. Protein drinks are not just for workouts. You do not need to drink protein only after exercise. The so-called anabolic window is much larger than we once thought. Better times for protein drinks include before bed to support muscle recovery and blood sugar. Before shopping helps you avoid sugary and processed foods. 5. Combine protein with intermittent fasting correctly. High protein and intermittent fasting can work very well together, but only if done properly.
Do not skip meals randomly. Do not use extreme fasts.
The most effective fasting range for most people is 12 to 16 hours, with around 14 hours being ideal. This allows you to still eat 3 protein-rich meals, protecting muscle and metabolism. 6. Prioritize protein before fat. Fat is easy to overeat. Protein is harder. Many people add fats first and never hit their protein needs. Focus on lean, high-quality protein first, then add fats after. This alone can break fat loss plateaus. 7. Diversify your protein sources. Chicken alone is not enough. Different proteins provide different nutrients. Red meat supports iron and zinc. Dairy supports calcium and leucine. Eggs provide choline and vitamin A. Fish provides omega-3 fats. Beans provide fiber and minerals. Variety fuels long-term health, not just weight loss. 8. Pair protein with fiber. Protein and fiber together are powerful. They increase fullness, reduce hunger, support gut health. Fiber increases GLP-1, the same hormone targeted by weight loss medications. Aim for 30 to 50 grams of fiber per day, paired with adequate protein. This combination makes fat loss feel much easier and more sustainable. Protein is not just about eating more. It is about when you eat it, how you space it, and what you pair it with. When used correctly, protein supports fat loss, digestion, energy, and long-term health.
Thanks for watching. If you want more science-based nutrition that actually works, subscribe. See you next time.